So Microsoft is changing the Windows 11 taskbar yet again. But hold on, this might be a good thing because they're actually going to make it a Windows 10-like compact taskbar as well as a movable taskbar. They're going to actually maybe make it better, but will they? I don't know. Let's talk about it. Let's see. Microsoft is taking a new approach where it drops major Windows 11 fixes every month, and one such update would bring back the Windows 11 compact taskbar with different sizes. Right now, you can't really customize the taskbar in Windows 11, not even how big it appears in low resolutions. If you have a high resolution device, you probably won't see it as a problem, but on 14-inch laptops, the taskbar might feel huge, and you may want to adjust its height. However, you can't do it just yet. Windows 11 blocks users from customizing the taskbar unless they use third-party tools. So here's some examples of what I'm talking about when I'm talking about these taskbars. Like here's the size, then making the taskbar itself smaller. Then you've got the option to put the taskbar on the top or whatever side you want instead of just across the bottom. This is what we mean by a movable taskbar, making things available to for you to be able to modify in the way you see fit. But that might change sooner rather than later with the latest Windows update that's going to happen. A post on X, one user asked Microsoft Windows boss if they could consider bringing back the short taskbar option, as users hate the jumbo taskbar. One user argues that the jumbo taskbar only makes sense for tablet users, and even Windows 8 had an option to switch to a compact or slim taskbar when preferred. Now, if you would like to get a taskbar like this in your Windows 11, I do have a video that tells you how to do that, and I'll go ahead and put that up in the corner for you if you want to check that out. This is something we're looking at implementing, he said in the X post, and it really gives me hope that Microsoft seriously is considering our feedback. I asked Microsoft for more details, and I'm told it'll be similar to how the taskbar from Windows 10 is, but we don't know exactly for sure what it'll be yet. So if this kind of information is informative to you and you want to hear more of the latest information on the changes Microsoft makes to Windows, subscribe to this channel and go ahead and hit the bell icon to get notified when I put new videos out. And then you'll find out what changes are happening in the updates to Windows. I'll see you next time.